Hi traders, welcome to my channel Impact Trading with George the OT. I will be taking some trade as usual on volume and price analysis using the 1 minute time frame and Euro USD pair. So therefore let's wait to see what's going to happen. I can't see anything here. Let me draw some lines using the fib ratio. Okay, now I think I have an understanding of what's happening. I should have been doing this call trade, sorry. This was a good time to do this call trade, but I missed the opportunity as I was explaining these videos to you. So let's wait for more signals. Okay, this is a low volume, so maybe I think I'll be doing another call trade. I'll be doing another call trade here. I missed this. The market is moving slowly on little momentum because this is the Asian section. It's common with the Asian section. So let's see what we get out of this trade, and hopefully we'll do 2 more trades and round up this section. Okay, let's see. Okay, now I can see some kind of selling pressure coming into the markets. Yeah, I can see some kind of selling pressure. So what I need now is confirmation. I need a confirmation of this selling pressure. If I can get the confirmation with a bearish candle, I will go with a put. Otherwise I will do nothing for now. Let me take away these fib ratios. Please, after I make this trade, if you still did not get any parts, you can leave a comment on the comment section and I'll definitely get back to you to explain it. And this is also a new channel, so you can take just a moment to subscribe and like this channel, like this video, and subscribe to the channel. Use the notification bell to get alerts whenever I make new videos. So that's that. Okay, as we can see, I believe the price is about to go further down. Yes, just like what happened here, same thing happening here. So let's wait. So like I said, you can use the notification bell to further alert yourself of the price of new videos. Ask your questions in the comment section and I'll definitely get back to you. So after this trade, we'll be taking 1 more trade. That's going to be our last trade for this section. Okay, so let me wait to see what's happening now. So from what I'm saying, the market will not be going down further. Market is still trading within this range, but I need confirmation. I need a confirmation If I get a confirmation, then I'll do another trade to the upward direction. And as I can see from what I'm saying, this is a double top forming. You see, my first bottom, double bottom forming, sorry. This is the first bottom. Price moved up, came back and made a second bottom, and now we are experiencing a breakout. You can see, yeah, a breakout. So I'll wait to, you see, so I'll wait when I get, now I believe price is about to trend higher from this point, so I'll wait, and when I get a confirmation, I already have the signal. The double bottom has signaled me, but what I need is just a confirmation, and yes, a confirmation from this level. I should have done the call trade here, but this candlestick was just too huge, far away from this level. If this candlestick would have closed here, then I would have used this level to do a call trade. Was, you see, it was just too far away, and now I cannot even do this call trade because the volume has reduced, the buying pressure has reduced, so I'll still wait. I would let me wait, get a good entry point, and I'll do, get a good signal, and I'll do the last trade. For now, I believe the upward direction is not going to last long because we're still in a major downtrend. You see, we're still in a major downtrend, so this upward move may not last as long as we want it to. So let's wait and see. Okay, so if I get a, okay, now I've seen a clear signal. Oh, let's see. Oh, the volume is the same. You see, 155, 155. So I really don't, okay, I can do a call trade because the next level is up here, so there is space between here and here to go, and this is a double bottom, a pullback, and a continuation. So I believe this trade will end this video. The Asian section is really tricky, the volume is really low, so you see price will start reacting from this level because this is where the downtrend may pick up, but I think we got a good entry point here, so let's see. Okay, yes, so that's that. Let me make some explanation and then we round up. Okay, why did I do this trade? I'm going to explain. Sorry, I made a mistake. Let me explain why I took this trade. Okay, so this is the reason why. If you look clearly, we have this trading range here, and we have another trading range here, right? In these downtrend markets. Now what happened is price broke downward, breaking this horizontal support level and broke with a huge candlestick and a huge volume, right? Now after this breakout, price retested this level and continued going down, but this is the first signal I got to know that the price will not continue to go down, because after this retest I'm supposed to see a high volume here. But as you can see, this volume, this bearish candle came with a volume lower than this bullish candle. So I said, I got the signal that no, this is not going to last long. For further confirmation of this signal, I got another big bearish candle with a weak volume, even smaller than the previous two. more confirmation. Then I got another confirmation with this hammer kind of candlestick with a high volume. You know what a hammer candlestick is at the bottom of a trend? It signifies a reversal. So here's the hammer candlestick kind of candle with a huge volume. So this is adding more evidence to suggest that the price is going to reverse. Then I drew my fib ratio, and I saw that this is a point where price usually reverse. I think this is the 1.61 ratio, and I saw this candlestick here with a little wick on high volume. Now, one thing about this is that you don't expect to get this candle, and this candle telling you that the price will reverse, and immediately you see this huge candle, you think, oh, the price will continue. No, this is the reversal of the candle. This is the reversal signal. These three candles are the reversal signals, and this candle on high volume is adding, it is saying a yes to the reversal, not a continuation of this downtrend. This candlestick on high volume is saying a yes to this reversal signal. And so I should have done this trade, but I was late, and I was considering the kind of market we are in. This is the Asian section, so I needed to be careful. But after I saw this candlestick, it was a weak candlestick with a small volume. I did this call trade. So that was why I did this particular call trade. So that's that for this one. And the next trade, I did a put trade because there is something about small candlestick, tiny candlestick at support and resistance. If you see a tiny candlestick at support and resistance and the volume is small, just like this on low volume, you can continue with the next candle direction. This is also a small candlestick at support and resistance. You can follow the next candle direction. So what I saw is this candle stopping at this key level, this candle showing up with a small volume. I did the put. This is now like a trend, a pullback, and I did a continuation because after I did this previous trade, this signal has expired, the confirmation has expired with these two candles. So this is a fresh signal. It's telling me that the market will resume its major downward direction, and then I did this put. And for the last trade, this candlestick on low volume, as you can see, let me show you. You see this candlestick where I did this trade, it has a high volume. Now this candlestick came back and you see volume low. Again, this is telling me, it's giving me a signal that price is not going to break through this support and resistance. And if you can remember clearly, I stated this in the video, in the trade, saying I think price is going to go up. And what did we get? We got a double bottom with a huge volume. Now this huge volume calls for a call trade, but I did not do the call trade because the distance between this candle closing price and the nearest key level is too wide apart. So I had to wait for the candlestick to come down. The candlestick come down and rejected from this level, but the volume did not increase. So I started to feel that yes, this candlestick, this lack of volume here shows lack of interest from the buyers. But on the second attempt from this level, from this zone, the volume increased a bit. No, it did not even increase. The volume equaled the second volume. And so I felt, okay, if the volume is going to be equal with the second volume and the next key level is this area, then I can do the trade because there is still space between this closing price and this key level. With a good entry point, I got into the trade and we won. And as you can see, the market came back because this downward movement, I've seen it from this candle. So the market began going back down. So I hope you have learned something from this video. I hope I did my best to explain. So once again, if you like this video, please leave a like on this video. If you have a question, if you have anything to say, drop a comment. And most especially, if you feel this video is useful, it's going to help some of your friends, family, or somebody you know, please do well to share this video and subscribe to my channel so that I can make more of these videos. Subscribe to my channel, use the notification to get notified when I make new videos. So that will be all for now. So you have to stay safe. I'll be seeing you in our next video. Bye. Thanks for having me.